how to restart an iPhone without buttons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reboot or restart your iPhone without using the power button or any of the buttons. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to restart our iPhone without buttons using an accessibility feature. So to get started, open up the settings on your iPhone. Then all we need to do is scroll down a little bit and you'll see accessibility, select that. Once in accessibility, scroll down and select touch. And then you just want to, at the very top, turn on AssistiveTouch. So once you get in here, what we need to do is go to Customize Top Level Menu, and then just select one of these. And what we want to do is scroll down to the R's and select Restart. So select Done, and then we can go back to AssistiveTouch, turn on AssistiveTouch, and you'll see this little dot show up. You can remove this after we restarted our iPhone by just going back here and turning off AssistiveTouch. So now just tap the little button and select Restart. It's going to confirm, so go ahead and select Restart, and then it will go ahead and restart your iPhone without using any of the buttons. So after maybe 5-10 seconds, you'll see your iPhone boot back up. You'll see the little Apple logo right there, and we have now restarted our iPhone without the buttons. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.